everybody, what's up? We just finished our Blackstone Griddle review, and we promised we would give away one as a celebration for 1,000 subscribers. That's a great deal when you're starting out on YouTube. Congratulations to the Fishhook channel. Everybody who involved worked hard for it. And who's our winner?
Our winner is Ashley Madewell.
Or you can write us, what is it, Fishhook 2019?
Fishhook 2019 at gmail.com. And we'll respond right away. But we have 7 days, or we'll have to pick another winner.
Okay, so Ashley Madewell, contact us, and we just need verification that you are who you're claiming you are. And that'll be it. Then we'll ship you out your Blackstone Griddle. Congratulations. We had a blast on ours, didn't we?
Congratulations. It cooks well. The food was great.
So good. It was
and
delicious.
We got a griddle with your name all over it. So I'd hop on it as soon as you can.
All right. Okay, guys. So if you're Ashley, get in touch with us right away. You got 7 days. All right. Take care, you guys. And we'll let you know on the next giveaway. Just hang in there. Thanks for subscribing to Fishhook.
Yes. Thank you.